Taiwan, the epicenter of global semiconductor manufacturing, is now home to Dimerco's second bonded warehouse in Taiwan. The facility is located within the Taoyuan International Airport Free Trade Zone, between the Port of Taipei and Hsinchu Science Park, where Taiwan manufacturers can receive and stage supplier inventory, where brands can ship to customers across Asia-Pac region and the world. Goods can be stored duty and tax-free until the product leaves the warehouse. Dimerco's FTZ warehouse is already home to fast-growing tech brands. Dimerco's Taiwan bonded warehouse is part of an integrated logistics solution for product distribution. Do you need an efficient distribution solution from Taiwan? Let us be your guide.